Hey guys, welcome back to Pips Trader YouTube channel. Thanks for your continuous support to my channel. This week we're going to be seeing technical analysis for Euro USD. I'm on weekly time frame in Euro USD. So when we do the technical analysis for Euro USD, we can notice that it has given a very nice resistance here and downtrend. It has given a downtrend and retraced back, stopped at the resistance, again traced back, again stopped at the resistance, and at this point you can notice that it has broken the resistance, and we can see the support at this point here. This area is going to be the support area for this triangle pattern. So it has formed a very nice triangle pattern on weekly time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame. So in daily time frame, we can see that it has given a breakout, retrace back on the support here, and again try to go up, again trying to retrace to the support line. Then it has gone up. So from this test point, it has gone up, and again downtrend, again uptrend, again downtrend. Here we can notice that it has formed a very nice double top pattern. It has gone up, tested the resistance, again retraced, again gone up, tested the resistance, again retraced, and this is going to be the support area. The present trend is it has formed a very nice triangle pattern in the higher time frame, and it has broken the higher time frame triangle pattern, and it has started to go up. But again it has formed here double top pattern, trying to retest the dynamic support line here. So our trading range is going to be, I hope you know about the double top pattern. So we take the distance from top to bottom. This is going to be the support, this is going to be the resistance. The retracement it is going to have is actually here. This is how far we are hoping the retracement to be. So this is going to be the, so here also you can notice that this is where it actually started is uptrend. It has gone up, retraced, again it started uptrend, again it is retracing and started uptrend, retracing, uptrend. Euro USD is temporarily on a downtrend, and the support is going to be at this point. If it breaks this support point, the same range we are going to take it and put it back here. So this is going to be the next target if the double top pattern continues. This area here is the support area. So this is where it is going to come and stop, and the uptrend to continue. That is what I'm expecting Euro USD to do. So the uptrend of Euro USD has started. It is just retesting on the dynamic support. Let me mark the first retracement level. This is going to be the first retracement level, 1.11309. And next, if it breaks, if it still has a strong downtrend, the next stop is going to be 1.04580. This is going to be the next stop. But if it is going to continue on a uptrend, 1.23208 is going to be the resistance. If it breaks this resistance, the range is going to be, this is going to be the range on the higher side. If it breaks 1.23208, then next resistance is going to be 1.26934, and if it breaks that range, next resistance is going to be 1.29825. I'm expecting next week's trading range is going to be within this range. So here we can clearly notice that nice double top has formed. One rebounced, again one rebounced, and I am expecting the downtrend to continue up to here, then a rebound to happen. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get updates on the future videos.